Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 4th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down today 7.84. That's 3.64%. Closed at 207.47. Post market, we are up by 64 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We have a strange day today. I did not take a look at the news yet, but we opened quite high, but we just were slammed down quite hard. And we can see that the body of the candle is pretty much right smack on 208. And the wick at the bottom went a little bit lower than 205. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart to understand a little bit better how this happened. So we opened higher here today in the morning, and look at this. This is basically textbook. We went quite high during the first hour, but then we were stopped by this downward resistance that we plotted, I think, yesterday. I did that. I am not sure. So basically, this is following the downtrend right now. So we came and tested that downward resistance. We could not break outside of it. We could not close outside of it in the first hour. We could not close outside of it on the second hour. And then boom, went straight down. And now we're bouncing a little bit on 205. Stochastic is still very low at 17. Let's go look at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, stochastic is plunging a little bit. So we are at 22.89 plunging. RSI coming down also a little bit. And we still have MACD crossed over bullish, but the two lines are getting closer together and we are still bearish also on the DMI. So we could be back in the congestion zone right here. And until we gain some momentum and then try to beat 229.77 again. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening, a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday. Unless you are a member, then we are going to talk also on Sunday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.